Morning, everyone. You are watching Yash Academy YouTube channel, and myself is Professor Milind Gaikwad. Today, in this video, I am going to discuss the very most expected questions of chemistry. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, PCM ची परीक्षा आता संपेल आणि PCB या ग्रुपसाठी परीक्षा सुरू होणारी आहे. या परीक्षा देणाऱ्या सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना हा व्हिडिओ निश्चितच उपयोगी पडणार आहे. बिकॉज दिस इज माय 9th व्हिडिओ. MHT CET या परीक्षेसाठी हा 9वा व्हिडिओ मी काढतोय. यापूर्वीचे जे व्हिडिओज आहेत ते निश्चितच विद्यार्थ्यांना उपयोगी पडलेले आहेत, कारण ते कमेंट बॉक्स मधून ती मतं व्यक्त केलेली आहेत त्यांनी, आणि त्यामुळं येणाऱ्या परीक्षेला या व्हिडिओचा निश्चित फायदा विद्यार्थी मित्रांना होणारा आहे. आपण फारसा वेळ न घेता यामध्ये नेमके कोणते प्रश्न विचारलेले आहेत की ज्या प्रश्नांचा सराव तुमचा होणं अपेक्षित आहे. प्रश्न ज्यावेळी इथं आपण वाचू त्यावेळेस त्याचे पर्याय शोधत असताना साधारणतः कोणत्या गोष्टी आपण लक्षात ठेवला पाहिजे की कोणत्या दृष्टीने विचार केला पाहिजे हे खूप महत्त्वाचं आहे. म्हणजे इथं काही टिप्स असतील, ट्रिक्स असतील, या आपण लक्षात ठेवणं गरजेचं आहे, कारण ते परीक्षेमध्ये वेळ वाचवणाऱ्या गोष्टी असणाऱ्या आहेत. नाउ दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू. Sorption is the term used when A. Adsorption takes place, B. Absorption takes place, C. Both adsorption and desorption, and D is the desorption takes place. So here sorption is the term used when both adsorption and desorption occur simultaneously. So which one is the correct answer option of this question? Here C is the correct answer option of this question. Okay. Next, second question to you. Which of the following is an example of homopolymer? A. Bakelite, B. Polythene, C. Terylene, and D is a glyptal. Here homo means same, means here the one type of repeating unit is very important. You know that the bakelite is formed from two monomers, phenol and formaldehyde. Polythene only one monomer, that is the ethene or ethylene. C, that is the terylene, ethylene glycol and terphthalic acid, and glyptal is ethylene glycol and phthalic acid. So which one is the correct answer? B is the correct option of this question. B. Next, third question. SN1 reaction is favored by A. non-polar solvent, B. bulky alkyl groups on the carbon atom attached to halogen atom, C. smaller alkyl groups on the carbon atom attached to halogen atom, and D is the backside attack of nucleophile. So in SN1 reaction there is no backside attack of nucleophile. It takes place in polar solvent. So A is option. हा इथं रेस मधून बाद झाला. B and C. स्मॉलर अल्काइल ग्रुप्स यामध्ये नाही, तर बल्की अल्काइल ग्रुप्स on the carbon atom attached to halogen atom. So this is the reason, because the SN1 reaction is favored. So correct answer option of this question is B. Fourth question. Carboxylic acids dimerize due to A. high molecular weight, B. coordinate bonding, C. intermolecular hydrogen bonding, and D is a covalent bonding. Carboxylic acids, for example, you take acetic acid, CH3, C double bond O, OH. Here OH bond is a polar bond. This hydrogen acquires partial positive charge and oxygen acquires partial negative charge. The same case is observed in each molecule. So partially positively charged hydrogen of one molecule of carboxylic acid establishes the force of attraction with partially negatively charged oxygen of another carboxylic acid molecule. So this force of attraction is nothing but the hydrogen bond. So intermolecular hydrogen bond or bonding is observed in carboxylic acids, and there is a process called dimerization. So which one is the correct answer option of this question? Is a C, that is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, next one, fifth question. ZeF4 reacts violently with water to give. Here A, B, C, D options are given and some products are given. So you should know the reaction of xenon tetrafluoride with water which occurs violently. So tell me the correct answer option of this question. Here C is the correct answer option of this question. Okay. Next, sixth question. Which of the following reaction will not give a primary amine? A, CS3CONH2, Br2 in KOH, B, CS3CN lithium aluminum hydride as a reducing agent, C, CS3NC LiLH4, and D, CS3CONH2 LiLH4. Here, what is asked in this question? Which of the following reactions will not give primary amine? Primary amines are characterized by the presence of which group? That is the NH2 group. Here, this reaction is nothing but Hofmann's degradation reaction, that is the bromoamide degradation reaction. So CS3 group gets directly attached to NH2 group. So methylamine is formed. So in this reaction, primary amine is a form. Second reaction is a reduction of CN group by lithium aluminum hydride, or in place of this we can use sodium in ethyl alcohol. So this reaction is a Mendes reduction reaction. So in this reaction, C triple bond N group is reduced to CH2 NH2 group. So this with this reaction we can prepare primary amines. So third one is the CH3NC isocyanide. The same reducing agent is used, that is lithium aluminum hydride. But here what happens? CH3NHCH3. So here secondary amine is obtained, CH3NHCH3. So this reaction will not give a primary amine. And last, CO group is reduced to CH2 group. So CH3 CH2 NH2. So primary amine is obtained. So correct answer option of this question is a C. Okay. Next one. Seventh question. When an acyl chloride is heated with sodium salt of carboxylic acid, the product is, or the product form is, A, an aldehyde, B, an alkene, C, an anhydride, and D is an ester. So tell me the correct answer option of this question. Acyl chlorides, they are represented as RCOCl, and here sodium salt of carboxylic acid, so RCOONA. So this Na plus ion combines with Cl to form NaCl, and what is left? RCOOCOR. So this product is nothing but the anhydride. C is the correct answer option of this question. Next question, eighth question. The pyrimidine bases present in DNA are A, cytosine and adenine, B, cytosine and guanine, C, cytosine and thymine, अँड डी सायटोसिन अँड युरॅसिल. आता इथं तुम्हाला माहित पाहिजे की पिरिमिडिन्स आर cytosine, uracil and thymine. These are the pyrimidines, and DNA is a double helical structure in which adenine forms 2 hydrogen bonds with thymine and guanine forms 3 hydrogen bonds with cytosine in the DNA structure. So if you observe this ATGC, uracil is absent. Okay, so what is left in the given? uracil तर यामध्ये नाही आहे, म्हणजे सायटोसिन, युरॅसिल, थायमिन, म्हणजे युरॅसिल कॅन्सल झाला, राहिला कोण? थायमिन. सो करेक्ट आन्सर ऑप्शन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज अ सी, cytosine and thymine. Next, 9th question. Among us the following essential amino acid is A. alanine, B. valine, C. proline and D is serine. आपणाला या 10 इसेन्शियल आणि 10 नॉन इसेन्शियल अमिनो ऍसिडची माहिती असणं अपेक्षित आहे, कारण आता बी ग्रुप वाल्यांची परीक्षा सुरू होते आणि त्यामुळे त्यांना बायोमॉलिक्युल्स टॉपिक जो आहे तो दॅट इज इम्पॉर्टंट. So in this case, B is the correct answer option because valine is a essential amino acids in which R is a Me, that is a CH3 twice CH. Alanine, proline, you know, proline is a secondary proline. It does not fit in general formula of amino acids because it is a it contains secondary amine group. But remaining all essential, non-essential alpha amino acids contain NH2 group, that is the primary or amino group, primary amine or amino group. So here B is the correct answer option of this question, B. Next one, 10th question. The element which belongs with chalcogen family is. What do you mean by chalcogen? The group 16th elements, they are called chalcogens. So oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium, these are the chalcogen family elements. And here you ask the element which belongs with this family. So here correct answer option of this question is a selenium. Next, 11th, which of the following is transition element? Silver, arsenic, uranium, selenium. I think तुम्हाला याचं उत्तर माहित असणार आहे. काय असणार आहे? सिल्वर. सिल्वर हा कान ट्रान्झिशन, आर्सेनिक नाही, युरेनियम नाही, सेलेनियम नाही आहे. 12th, which of the following element is a metalloid? Now whenever you across the word metalloid means shows both metallic and non-metallic character, and these elements particularly placed in P block elements. म्हणजे इथं पी ब्लॉक मध्येच त्यांची पोझिशन आपल्याला पाहायला मिळते. म्हणजे सिल्वर हा डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट आहे, सल्फर हा पी ब्लॉक आहे, युरेनियम रेडिओ ऍक्टिव्ह एलिमेंट एफ ब्लॉक एलिमेंट, आणि टेलोरियम इज ऑल्सो पी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट. म्हणजे इथं मेटॅलॉइड पण कोण असणार आहे? मग आता सल्फर आणि टेलोरियम मध्ये स्पर्धा असणार आहे. सल्फर जो असणार आहे तो नॉन मेटल आहे आणि टेलोरियम जो असणार आहे, सेलेनियम आणि टेलोरियम बोथ आर मेटॅलॉइड. सो करेक्ट आन्सर ऑप्शन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज अ डी असणार आहे. Next, 13th question, which of the following compound cannot be oxidized by dilute nitric acid? In place of nitric acid, we can use alkaline or acidic potassium permanganate or chromic acid as a strong oxidizing agent. Here 4 options are given. So benzene ring, and outside the benzene ring alkyl groups are attached to benzene ring. So you have to find out the correct structure which cannot be oxidized by these strong oxidizing agents. आता हे शोधत असताना यामध्ये सगळ्यात महत्वाचं आहे की तुम्हाला बेन्झिलिक कार्बन माहित असणं अपेक्षित असणार आहे. बेन्झिलिक कार्बन म्हणजे कार्बन विच इज डायरेक्टली अटॅच टू बेन्झीन रिंग. दिस कार्बन इज कॉल्ड benzylic carbon atom. So this one is the benzylic. Here C2H5 means CH2CH3. So if you write CH2, this carbon is called a benzylic carbon, and the hydrogen attached to benzylic carbon are called a benzylic hydrogen. So such type of benzylic hydrogen, if benzylic hydrogens are present, then they can easily undergo oxidation. Now you have to find out the compounds which does not contain such type of hydrogen. Okay, here this is there are 3 benzylic hydrogen atoms. Here if you observe this structure, carbon is bonded to 3 methyl groups. So there is this is the benzylic carbon atom. So it is not attached to any benzylic hydrogen. And last compound, there is a 1 benzylic hydrogen. So it contains benzylic hydrogen. It also contains. So it does not contain any benzylic hydrogen. So it cannot be oxidized by dilute nitric acid or these oxidizing agent. So this one is the correct answer, option. 14th question to you. Here you are given this reaction, alkyl magnesium halide plus carbon dioxide. The reaction is carried out in the presence of dry ether. Y is obtained as an intermediate, and this on hydrolysis gives final product, that is the carboxylic acid. So you are asked to find the Y in the reaction, and values of Y, A, B, C, D in the form of options are given. So you have to select the or choose the correct answer option of this question, that is the Y in the given reaction. म्हणजे इथं काय असणार आहे पहा, C double bond O plus RMgX. हा बॉन्ड ब्रेक होईल, याच्यावर निगेटिव्ह चार्ज, सो इट गेट्स अटॅच टू पॉझिटिव्हली चार्ज कार्बन, कारण कार्बन ऑक्सिजन इज अ पोलर बॉन्ड and magnesium gets attached to oxygen. So RCOOMgX. RCOOMgX. इथं नाही, इथं R3 म्हटलंय, म्हणजे C is the correct answer option of this question. 15th question. In this reaction also, you are given RCN. The reagent is dibyl H, and second step is hydrolysis. RY is formed, and consider the above reaction and identify in the reaction. म्हणजे इथं प्रॉडक्ट मध्ये जो Y तयार झालेला आहे तो दिलेल्यापैकी कोणता असणार आहे? A CONH2, B COH, C CH2NH2 and D is a CHO. म्हणजे डायबल H जो असणार आहे तो रेड्युसिंग एजंट असणार आहे, तो H प्रोव्हाइड करतो. त्यामुळे C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड N ग्रुप इज अ रेड्यूस टू अल्डिहाइड ग्रुप. हे लक्षात घ्या, हे खूप महत्वाची रिएक्शन आहे. स्टीफन रिडक्शन मध्ये CN इज रेड्यूस टू CHO ग्रुप बाय in hydrochloric acid. So this is the alternative reducing agent to reduce CN to CHO group, because it protects the double bond if present in the alkyl group. Next, 16th question. Among the hydrides of group 16 elements, which has the lowest boiling point? आता हायेस्ट बॉइलिंग पॉइंट म्हटलं तर तुमच्या लक्षात येईल की वॉटर इट हॅज अ हायेस्ट बॉइलिंग पॉइंट, पण इन दिस केस लोएस्ट बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इज आस्क्ड. Here boiling point is directly proportional to the molecular mass or molar mass as well as the size of the atom. आता इथं HH is a common. So as we go as we move from top to bottom in this group, the atomic size goes on increasing. So here as compared with H2S, H2SE and H2T, it has a smaller size. and T has a larger size. So H2S, it has a lowest boiling point, and again this boiling point is found to be increased, but H2O has highest boiling point. But here the correct answer option of this question is a B. This is the last question of this video. Which of the following compound is most acidic? A. Methane, B. NH3, C. Water, and D is a HF. Here you have to find out the most acidic compound. Acidic means which gives freely H plus, or H plus which gives easily. म्हणजे इथं हायड्रोजन आणि कार्बन, हायड्रोजन आणि नायट्रोजन, हायड्रोजन आणि ऑक्सिजन, हायड्रोजन आणि फ्लोरीन हा बॉन्ड तुम्हाला ऑब्झर्व करावा लागेल. इथं पाहिलं कार्बन, नायट्रोजन, ऑक्सिजन, फ्लोरीन, द इलेक्ट्रॉन नेगेटिव्हिटी गोज ऑन इन्क्रीजिंग. सो HF बॉन्ड इज फाउंड टू बी हायली पोलर बॉन्ड. म्हणजे इथं पोलॅरिटी सर्वात जास्त आपल्याला पाहायला मिळते, आणि त्यामुळं HF इज द मोस्ट ऍसिडिक इन नेचर. सो डी इज द करेक्ट आन्सर ऑप्शन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. मला वाटतं हे आपल्याला निश्चित हे प्रश्न आणि त्याची उत्तरं हे तुमच्या लक्षामध्ये आले असतील. परीक्षा दृष्टीनं खूप महत्वाचा व्हिडिओ आहे, आपण तो पाहावा. आपल्या मित्रांना पण तुम्ही शेअर करायला काही हरकत नाही. जर हा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब केला नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा, आणि कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये काही तुम्हाला सुचवायचं असेल तर तुम्ही जरूर सुचवा. धन्यवाद.